everyone, it's Tiffany. Welcome back. So I'm super excited to share the first reveal to my Baking Spirits Bright group swap. This swap was a Christmas baking theme, and it was a make one, get one, or make two, get two. And the requirements were to make a memory dex card, 10 die cuts, something beaded, so it could be like a dangle, a pen, a pokey tool, a keychain, one shaker embellishment, and 4 handmade items of your choice. Everything was to be packaged nicely into like a tote bag or just something that so that it's all contained, into like one one thing, one packaging. Um, the signups were back. I think I started this back in September, and the mail out due date is this Friday, but I have extended it a few more days because there were a couple ladies who needed a little bit more time, which is fine. So I told them as long as they mail it by, you know, the following Friday, like right after Thanksgiving, that'll work. It's not a problem because I still have to do my videos and get everything together over here. So without further ado, this swap that I received today is from Crafts by Terry, who is Teresita Caballero, and I'll link her information down below. And I'm just gonna I opened the box and I took out she had this paper on the top, and I didn't want to make too much crinkly noises, so I just opened it, but I haven't looked inside. So we're gonna go through everything together. So first, let's see here. Oh, so this is her memory dex card, which is so cute. Look at the whisk. It says make a wish, and she has this really cute rosette with a cupcake here, and she has some trim in the back. She has a little doily with a butterfly, and she has that netting trim in the back of her memory dex. That is so cute. And this is her info. So, Handmade with Love by Teresita Caballero. Facebook is Teresita Caballero, and Instagram is Crafts by Terry. Birth date is November 2. So she just had a birthday. Happy belated birthday. So this is her memory dex. Super cute. Next. Oh, this is her shaker. Look at how cute he is. I love it. Look at how thick. Super thick. I don't want to take it out of the packaging. She packaged everything so nice. She has some twine at the top. She used a felt Santa hat. And look at how cute the ginger is. The ginger boy. Super cute. Okay, so that's her shaker. And here is her something beaded, which I'm sorry for the glare, but this is her beaded pen. I can take this out. Look at how pretty that is. Look at the pretty reds. And it's a glittered pen. And she has some dangles here, which is a flower and a snowflake. Super cute. Awesome. All right. Thank you so much, Terry. So now this one here, it says here 4 handmade items. So Terry reached out to me because she forgot to put everything into like a tote or something, like a paper crate or, a bag. So I told her I'll just put her things in a tote. I'll find something that I have here, and I'll do that for her. So this is her 4 handmade items. So I'll just take this off really quick. And let's see if I can just pull it out here. I just don't want to mess it up for her partner. So here, it looks like she made 2 tea packets. And it has, with the tea packets, you have this silver plastic spoon for each packet, because there's 2 packets of 2 teas, so you're getting 4 teas there, twinnings. Winter spice, peppermint cheer, gingerbread. It says something, gingerbread maybe gingerbread joy, I'm not sure. And Christmas tea, I think. I don't want to open it. And look at how cute she made her bag top with a lot of twine, and again with that netting, and she used that small doily, and it says life is sweet. So that is really creative. So that's her first handmade item. Second one here, she put it in this really pretty organza bag. And let's see. Oh, look at that. She made some cards. So she's a card maker. Look at how cute that is. So here she colored. She colored the gingerbread house. Looks like she used some stickles for, you see the glittery gumballs here, and the top of the gingerbread house for the icing. And she also stickled these, she colored these small, it's a lollipop. I'm not sure, that is like a gumball. This is the gumdrop, another lollipop. So it looks like gumballs. So these images, that's what I'm trying to say, images. She colored these really cute images. Look at how cute that is. This one here, so it looks like she used a plate, like a card plate, and with the negatives, with the circles that popped out, she made this card, which is so smart. She's using her pieces wisely, her paper. So that's awesome. So here, they're all like wreaths, and it says happy holidays in the middle there with some it's either newel drops, it's not diamond dots, so it looks like newel drops. That is cute. And look at that, look at the cute reindeer. It says jingle all the way, and he's holding a plate of cookies. Look at how cute they are. Oh my goodness. And then this one here is warm winter wishes in this nice green, different shades of green, and you see the ornaments in the back, and it feels embossed. So she did some embossing here. So that's really pretty. Very creative. So a set of 4 cards. That's really nice to have. That's one thing I don't have. I don't have like a lot of cards on hand. I make my cards for my swaps, you know, as I'm doing my swaps. I wish I had a stash, but I'm getting better at making cards, so hopefully someday I'll have a good stash of cards. And look at this. So this is a cute die cut, a cute little boy, and look at his eyes, how darling. And he has some, looks like maybe cake batter and cake on the spoon, and she used some stickles here. Just, you see that the glitter at the top there. Look how cute he is. And then he splattered some on his chef hat, and that also has glitter. That is so cute. I love it. So that's that one. And this here is a package, and it looks like she embossed the vellum. And since it's a little open here, it's with washi tape, I'm just going to bring it out so y'all can see. Oh, and it looks like these are some stamped images that have been cut out, all in a baking theme. Baking is love made edible. Just let the good times roll. If there's a whisk, there's a way. Roll it with love. Handmade happiness factory. That is so cute. And these will definitely come into use, especially during the holidays, if somebody's going to send like baked goods to someone. So that's amazing. So let me put this back nicely. And all right, so I'll put it like that so it stays like that. So this is, again, her 4 handmade items. And next, this is her 10 layered die cut. So sorry for the crinkling, y'all, but let me open this. I'm going to retake this for her. So sorry, guys. Sorry. I know some people that really annoys them. All right, so let's flip this over. All right, so let's start. So this one here, Candy Cane Wishes. And look at this cute reindeer. I just bought these reindeers. I think it's from Hobby Lobby. If so, yeah, I have these and I can't wait to use them. They're so cute. But look at this Miss Claus or Mrs. Claus cup. I love that. Super cute. And this one here, oh my gosh, these are the my Creative Time Gingies. I think this one is, I think it's Pixie Dust Designs, if I'm not mistaken. And this here is my Creative Time Gingies, and they are so cute. And look at this cookie. It looks like a real cookie, this cabochon. How cute is that? And it says here, choose to shine, using some ribbon as the topper. That is super cute. This one here, the bag topper has a layered flowered here with a cute mousse with some trim. Super cute. And these are some words here: mistletoe kisses, Santa's helper, and candy cane wishes. Looks like cookies because it's on like that cardstock, that craft colored paper, and it looks like glittered foam because it is dimensional. I love that. Here's another cookie. Look at these cookies. They just look so real. That's so cute. And then look at this donut here. So a donut and a cookie. And she made these cute gingerbread bows. And this one has a cupcake in the center, and that one has a pearl, a pink pearl. Super cute. And this one here, oh, look at this, what do you call it? Like it's not a spatula, or is it a spatula? You know what you use when you're, what am I trying to say? You know, when you're turning the cake batter and you're just folding it and folding it over each other. I'm at a loss for words today. Sorry, guys. I'm just getting over, like, I was really sick this weekend, so I am running on fumes here, but anyway, that's cute. And then 3 silver jummies there. And here's a cute, what is this? A baking pan. And on the baking sheet, sorry, it has a rolling pin, the spatula, the whisk, and the blender. That is so cute. I love that. And here's another baking sheet, and this one says ho ho ho. And look at that Santa, dimensional Santa with a glittered, his beard is glittered. And look at this pretty poinsettia. Very cute. Very, very cute. And this here, it says homemade, may the fork be with you. And some stickers there. And let me see what's in here. Oh, so here are some. These are bag toppers. And they're very dimensional. She put it on some thick foam here. And she used a baking themed paper. Here you have the blender. Is that what it's called? A blender? I am so lost with my words. You know what I'm trying to say. And then here's a rolling pin, all the utensils and everything. And here's like the oven mitts, measuring cups. That is so cute. I've never seen this paper before. So I'm going to put that in here, put it back nicely. And here, oh, look at the chefs. So you have the girl chef and the boy chef. And she's holding a whisk and he has the rolling pin. That is so cute. Oh, this must have came off from here. So let me put that on here. All right, there you go. All right, so here you have some pom-pom trim. My kitchen, my rules. That's funny, that's cute. And here's a flower. This is a fabric flower with a button in the center. She used some trim. Super cute, but look at them. Aren't they just the cutest? I love that. And then here's another one of those cookies that look real. and they're heavy, very heavy charms. And here it says baking with a cupcake stamped. And here's some trim here, some brown trim. And here's a loaded pocket. I think this is a KS Craft pocket, if I'm not mistaken. And she used this paper here. I'm not sure. It looks like it's from the same collection. I'm not sure what collection this is, but this is really pretty. So it's like a gingerbread house mug, and here you have like the puddings and cookies and peppermints. So yeah, this is super cute. I love that. And here it says cookie tester with a cute little gingerbread man. Yeah, let's see what's in here. And look at all these. So these are like cookies she made. And she put a doily at the bottom. Super cute. And she cut it in half so it could fit, which is that's an awesome idea. So here are all the cookies, and they look so real. So you have the candy cane cookies. It looks like she used either diamond dust or the rock candy. Look at those. So cute. And here are the Christmas trees. Look at that. You see all that shiny, all the glitter? You got those two. And then you have this gingerbread house cookie. And the star cookies. Look at all that. Those are so fun. These are great, you know, whoever gets this swap for future projects. So, yep. So these are all the die cuts. So I'm going to put this back nicely and package everything nicely. So thank you so much, Terry, for joining my swap. I really appreciate it. Everything here is amazing. I will link her down below, like I said. And yeah, so on to the next. I have 2 more swaps that came in, so I'll be making those videos soon, and I'll upload them as soon as I can. You all have a great day. Bye.